Sure, taking care of your property are like the basics. If the roof leaks, fix it. If the air conditioning goes out, fix it. I mean, those are basic ways to maintain the value of your property and help it go up over time because when buyers come in, they just assume that those things are there.
No, that's
Ways
a good
to
point because when you say take care of those things, this is something that needs to be done because just because you bought a property at say 150 and it's been 5 or 10 years doesn't mean it's worth more than 150. If the roof is leaking, the kitchen's a disaster.
Yeah, it might even be worth less than 150 at that point if you don't maintain the house.
Definitely.
So, but forced depreciation is a little bit different. It's how to add extra value beyond just doing the minimum, right? It's say you have a basement and it's an unfinished basement and you convert it into an extra living space. That's a way to increase the value of your house because now you've increased the living square footage of your house. You've increased, space where your family can expand into. Oh, and if it's a walkout basement and you make it a mother-in-law suite or maybe an ADU, one of those additional dwelling units, then you can start renting it. That is another way to force depreciation. It's things that you can do to above and beyond just the minimum or just the regular type of maintenance.
We are live every Friday morning, 9 a.m. Eastern Time in Columbia, South Carolina, at 100.7 FM, Make the Point Radio. Thank you for tuning.